In this video, I'll be showing you my Blaze Funnels review. So in a nutshell, Blaze Funnels is a funnel builder software that lets you create squeeze pages, lets you create landing pages, and it has also got built-in ClickBank offers inside it, to which you can run traffic and make affiliate commissions using that. But I see one problem with the Blaze Funnels is the traffic part. The traffic part is very less in Blaze Funnels. So that is why I have created my custom bonuses that is going to give you all the traffic which you need to run to your Blaze Funnels which you're going to create. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area. We will be taking a look at my bonus page where I've put together custom bonuses. We'll be taking a look at the sales page. I'll be telling you about the different price points for Blaze Funnels, and finally, I'll be telling you if you have to get this thing or not. So, in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh, and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, and a lot more. So, there are different funnel builder softwares out there in the market. The most popular one is ClickFunnels. But the problem with ClickFunnels is the pricing which you see on your screen. The monthly pricing starts from $97 per month, and it will go up to $297 per month for unlimited plan. And this is something which not everyone can afford, especially when they are starting out in their online business. So to solve this purpose, this product Blaze Funnels has been created, and it has not only got the built-in funnel builder, but it has also contains the done for you offers from ClickBank which you can promote. So this is how the members area of Blaze Funnels look like. And once you log into Blaze Funnels, so this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a welcome video from Sean Josiah, who is the vendor, who is the creator of this product. And this is going to be live on 19th of July at 11 a.m. Eastern. And you're also going to get all the tutorials about how to use Blaze Funnels, and it is very simple to use. Let me show you how you can create a campaign inside Blaze Funnels. So you just need to go on create a campaign, and I'll just do give it a name and click on submit, and then it's asking me to create my money page, and I just click on that, and it's going to give me all these different templates for squeeze pages. So with these squeeze pages you can capture email addresses, so you can connect the different autoresponders inside the Blaze funnel. So all the main autoresponders you can connect, and if your autoresponder is not there, you can still connect it. I'll tell you the way. So let's say we want to promote an affiliate offer for health and fitness. So we'll just use this particular template. You can use any template of your choice. So you can easily edit all these things here. You can change the text, you can change anything, and you can also change the text, everything you can change. And once you are happy with this, then you can click on next, and then you need to select your thank you page. So let's say we select a thank you page like this one. So this is going to be the thank you page where you can put your affiliate link, uh, and then we click on next, and here we configure everything. Okay, so we just put in the name. You can also put in the code. So if you want to run ads, then you can put in the code as well, which you can skip if you don't know about it, then for the thank you page as well. And here you can also direct people to an affiliate link. You can put in your affiliate link over here for a particular offer, and you can direct people to here instead of going to a thank you page. And then you can also select an offer. So let's say we want to select for weight loss, and you can put your ClickBank ID over here. You do not have to leave this leave this website to go to ClickBank. Let's say this is my ClickBank ID, and then I click on search, and it's gonna come up with a list of weight loss offers. All right, so you can see these are the different weight loss offers which it has pulled from ClickBank. And let's say we wanna go with uh, this one. So yeah, it has taken us to this offer, but you can just select this. Okay, the offer has been selected, and then you click on create money page, which you cannot see. Let me just window a bit shorter. Okay, we click on create money page. Okay, we need to fill in the link. Let's say we put in the, okay, we just uncheck this. Okay, so this is how our funnel is created, and we can get the link for our funnel. Okay, we can change the setting, and we can get this link. So you send all your traffic to this particular squeeze page. So we'll try to open this in another window, and this is how the squeeze page looks like. And we'll just open the thank you page as well. This is how the thank you page looks like. And this is what how you can create a funnel inside Blaze Funnels. And they have also got built-in traffic methods as well. You need to set up these different social accounts, and basically it's gonna let you write a blog post, and you have this automated traffic. So again, this is for the blog post. You can put in the video link, your affiliate link inside this. And you have also got the option to select the hot offers once we choose the network. So depending on that, you can select your offer, and they have got this autoresponder setup. So, and these are the different or main autoresponders which are available to connect. And if you do not have your autoresponder, you can still connect it using the code which is covered inside the training. And as I said, the traffic part, these are very less on this. There is a traffic on demand as well, which is basically like you send the traffic to these social media platforms. So this is what I have covered through my bonuses. I'm going to give you some traffic bonuses. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this page, and you need to make sure you pick up this all my bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. And the number one bonus I'm going to give to you is, first of all, a 60-minute coaching call where we can discuss about anything related to online marketing, or I'll help you in setting up your first funnel using Blaze Funnel software. So that's my number one bonus, 60-minute time with me where I'll help you set up Blaze Funnel. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you TweetX. That's a traffic software which we recently released last month. And with this software, you're going to get free unlimited traffic from Twitter, and you can run this traffic to your squeeze page. And bonus number three, I'm going to give you 2,500 email swipes. So these are done for you swipes which you need to configure in your autoresponder, and you're good to go from that follow-up point of view. Bonus number four, I'm going to give you a TikTok traffic software. So again, it's a traffic based software where you will generate free leads from TikTok. Bonus number five, I'm going to give you training on Google Ads. So you can also run Google Ads to the funnels which you're going to create inside Blaze Funnel. So this is again the traffic software which I'm going to give to you. So these are the different bonuses which I'm going to offer to you, and all your bonuses will be available inside your Warrior Plus dashboard. Once you complete the purchase, you will see this button Access Affiliate Bonus, and your bonuses will be there. And all you need to do, just click on any of these buttons on this page. That will take you to this particular sales page. And let's have a look at the headline. It says, "For the first time ever, I'm letting you steal my seven-figure business. Press one button to clone my $1.2 million super funnels with free traffic built in, 24/7 traffics and sales." So free traffic built in, you have seen the traffic part of it. I'm not very impressed with the traffic. That's why I have put in my bonuses for traffic for you guys. And the good thing about this is that there is no recurring fees, so you do not have to pay like monthly basis this much amount. How much you have to pay, that I'll cover later on. You do not need to have any experience, no technical skills, no extra expenses, unless you go for paid ads. And then you can have a look at the sales page. It is a very nice looking sales page. There are testimonials and income snapshots from Sean. He's Sean Josiah, the vendor of Blaze Funnels. And you can have a look at the sales page. Once you are ready to make the purchase, just need to click on this button on this page, get instant access now. That will take you to Warrior Plus, where you will be completing the purchase. And now talking about how much this is going to cost you. So all this software which I've shown you and all my bonuses, all the traffic bonuses, it's only going to cost you $17. That's the price for the front end, and that is only one time price. There are no monthly pricing. And then there are some optional upgrades, and these upgrades are there to help you speed up your process of making money. So the upgrade number one is the deluxe version for $47. So basically, you're going to get 50 more templates of the preloaded landing pages. Upgrade number two is the unlimited funnels for $47. So basically, it's gonna remove all the restrictions. So I highly recommend you pick up this unlimited funnels. Upgrade number three is the done for you funnels and products for $197. Basically, you're going to get the done for you funnels with all the offers connected and with all the email swipes, everything for $197. Upgrade number four is the high ticket maximizer for $97. So basically, it's like how to make high ticket affiliate commissions. So basically, you're going to get the high ticket programs with the more done for you offers. Upgrade number five is the unlimited traffic booster for $167. So basically, using this, they will place your pixels to their sales pages, so that whatever traffic is coming to their sales page, you can also capture that traffic. Upgrade number six is the franchise license for $497. So basically, you can sell this product as your own and keep the 100% profit. Upgrade number seven is the passive income masterclass for $47. So and upgrade number eight is a multiple streams of income masterclass for $47. But you do not have to go with this masterclass. I've already got it covered with my 60-minute coaching call. That's going to be enough for you to get started with Blaze Funnels. And you can also have a look at the demo for Blaze Funnels on this page, and you will see how this thing works. So now talking about if you have to get this thing or not, that's the main question. Well, as I said, with ClickFunnels and other main funnel building software, there is a monthly recurring price, which not everybody can afford. And this is why this Blaze Funnel has been created. And with $17, and you're good to go. And I've got you covered through all my traffic bonuses. So traffic part is also sorted. You know how to create the funnels. The offers are there inside Blaze Funnels, so you'll be all set to start your affiliate marketing journey, start building your affiliate marketing business using Blaze Funnels. So if you're someone looking out for a low cost funnel builder, this is your best bet to get started. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you have any questions, please feel to let me know in the comments down below. And again, the link to my bonus page is in the description down below. Click on that and get Blaze Funnels. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.